What is Juse jacking? Juse jacking is a security exploit in which an infected USB charging station is used to compromise connected devices. The exploit takes advantage of the fact that a mobile device's power supply passes over the same USB cable the connected device uses to sync data. How it's work? Juse jacking is a hardware-focused man-in-the-middle attack. The attacker uses a USB connection to load malware directly onto the charging station or infected connection cable and leave it plugged in, hoping some unsuspecting person will come along and use the forgotten cable. In this, hackers put malicious software, which is also called malware, which gives all of the phone access to its system. This malicious software is installed even when the victim mistakenly gives permission, even if the OR is not given. Information can be retrieved or downloaded without your consent. Where are you most at risk of Juse jacking attacks? That typically occurs on public charging stations you find in airports, shopping centers, and coffee shops, among other places.